Hello, welcome in my kitchen. My name is Monica, and I wanted to show you something that I remember from my childhood, and that's going to be Placki z jabłkami. The translation is going to be super easy, is pancakes with apples. So when I was growing up, we would have breakfast many times. My mom would make the placki z jabłkami, pancakes with apples, for us for breakfast. And it was so fast and so easy to make. And I thought, I hadn't have for so long pancakes with apples. And today when I woke up, I was thinking what I want to eat. And I want pancakes with apples. So what do you need for the Polish style pancakes with apples? You just need 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of oil, could be vegetable oil. I used olive oil. Also you need good pinch of salt. I would even say that this is like maybe 1/4 of teaspoon, or maybe a little more or less. You know, sometimes I add more of this or that. It depends how I see it. If that's going to be little portion or more or bigger portion. So yeah, it depends. And also you need 3 eggs. And I grated 3 apples, medium-sized apples, and today I had gala apples, so they are not huge. So you can imagine it's not a lot of apples, but 3 medium-sized grated apples. So you are just mixing all the ingredients in the bowl. I have maybe I didn't measure it. My mistake. I should measure it. I don't know what size of mixing bowl I have, but I would approximate is maybe 10-inch in diameter. It's not the biggest one. And maybe is 4 inches tall, maybe 4.5. Well, you see, next time I have to prepare myself a little better, because that mixing bowl is perfect for preparing the butter for the pancakes. So we just mix eggs, milk, and the flour. I use the whisk. It's easier for me to clean. I don't have to mess with the big machine to mix it. So I prefer doing this by hand. And then you just have to use hot non-stick pan and fry them on both sides. And that's actually I'm telling you, this is the fastest way to make something sweet and good for breakfast. So what I'm going to do, I have already my butter mixed with all the flour and eggs and sugar and oil. Everything is ready with a pinch of salt. So right now I'm going to just add my apples that I also have prepared. So you have to wash the apples and peel them, and then just grate on the, core the apples before, because you don't want to have the seeds in your pancakes. So core the apples and then grate them on the big eyes of the grater, and that's all you need to do with the apples. And my apples, I prepared them probably too early because they already changed color, and I don't mind that. So I'm going to just mix the apples with the butter. So let me swap the whisk with my ladle. I don't want the apples to go inside of the whisk, so let's swap that, and let's mix my apples. So this is kind of thick butter, I thought maybe I will make naleśniki today, but I then remembered that I already made a video with naleśniki, so I thought maybe the pancakes with apples, placki z jabłkami. So that is the butter with apples. And then I'm going to just fry them, maybe 2 or 3 at the same time, because they're supposed to be little ones. And after you are done with cooking them, just serve them with a little powdered sugar on top, and they are just delicious, delicious. The best way to wake up to, I'm telling you. Okay, so I'm going to move my butter next to the okay, so I have my pan already on the medium heat, maybe with a little olive oil on it, and I'm just going to, I'm not going to put my hand on the pan, don't worry about that, but I'm going to approximate if I like that heat or not. Okay, so what I need, I probably need my spatula to flip them, and maybe something to help me with, yeah, maybe fork as well. Okay, I hope you can hear me well. Okay, so medium high heat, you can start on higher and then correct it maybe you know, halfway, so they are not going to burn on one side. So I am going to try one. Let me see. Okay, so it's not sizzling yet, so maybe it's not hot enough, but it's going to be good, I promise you. Okay, now I can hear it. It's starting to sizzle, so I like that. I think I'm going to put 3 of them, but maybe, yeah, I will give them a little bit of more time, and then I can move them around. Yeah, okay. So let's see. I'm going to show you the end effect, so just bear with me. They are cooking. Smells good also. You know, the apples, they have that specific apple scent, so yeah, they already smell fantastically. Okay, so I can move them on my pan right now and lower the heat, so they are not going to be burnt. And I'm going to add the third one. Okay, beautiful. So yeah, as growing up back in Poland, being a kid and waking up to that smell of apple pancakes, it was something that would make me smile every single time my mom made them. And I actually forgot about that, that we had the apple pancakes many times for breakfast. And yeah, I guess when you grow up, you forget the little happy small things from your childhood. So, okay. And now we're going to flip them. Looks good. Oh, I burned on one side, one of them, but it's okay. My husband won't mind. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil so they can cook on the other side evenly. Okay. Oh, too bad you cannot smell it. They smell delicious. And let's flip the last one. And then we can serve them. So yeah, you're going to repeat that, you know, frying them on both sides till they are golden brown on each side. And I don't know how many servings you're going to have from that little batch I made, but I hope you're going to share with whole family, like I'm going to do today. So yeah, all the kids, they love it. Okay, perfectly well done. And the last one. Let's flip you again. Okay. Perfect. So now, I'm not going to finish them all at this time. So let me see. Can you, oh yes. So you have a little pancake. And then I'm just going to get my powdered sugar and just shake it a little bit on the pancake. And that's, I think, plenty of sugar. Okay, so I'm going to try one bite and see if they are the way they're supposed to be. Oh yeah, they're perfect. The apple kind of little, you know, sour but not sour. And the sugar for the sweetness. Excellent. So yeah, I love cooking, and especially when I have a lot of Polish pottery. The beauty of Polish pottery adds to the love of cooking as well. So I don't mind cooking. As much as I have Polish pottery with me, I don't mind cooking. I love cleaning it. They are so easy to clean. They are beautiful to look at. They always make me smile. All the dishes. I need to have one more bite. All the dishes are making my life much easier and more enjoyable. So try my pancakes with apples and let me know if you like them. Hopefully your family is going to enjoy the apple pancakes as well. And thank you for watching, and I will see you when I see you. Bye guys. Bye.